Never run out of battery again with the INIU portable charger, the slimmest 10,000 mAh power bank that keeps your devices charged on the go. Stay powered up wherever you go. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to PS5 Nexus. The wait is finally over for those craving a nostalgic throwback to their gaming roots. PlayStation has listened to community feedback and is set to reintroduce a number of classic themes for the PS5 in the next phase of updates. Imagine being able to represent your generation of consoles whenever you like, with iconic visuals that take you back in time. The new Appearance tab can be found under System Settings, including styles such as the original DualShock's design, with modified sound effects that hit you right in the feels. From there, we'll dive into a deeper look at some of these updates and how they're going to enhance your gaming experience on the PS5.